Hi guys, I'm going camping with my family next week and I was looking for camping light. I got this one from Amazon. I want to show you a few things about the light and then I'll go outside and test it out. It's dark at the moment outside. So in the package you're gonna get the USB-C charging cable. I like the length. It's not too short, not too long. Then here is the port where you can charge it. And when you want to turn on the light, you press this one. Here it shows you the level of the battery. That's the brightest light. And then if you want to change the mode, you press one more time. If you want to read a book or something, that light is perfect for that. And you can turn it off from here. Also, what I like is that there's an option that with the hook. And then there is a magnet which is very strong. You can put it on a metal pole or you can put it on the trunk on your car. So let's go outside and test it out. Our dining table on the patio has a steel frame. Now I want to show you how strong is the magnet. I will attach the light to the steel. There we go. And now I will show you how we can use the hook. We have one hook here. It's pretty bright. So if you need a light for camping or just for, I'm really impressed with this light. It's bright, easy to use, rechargeable, and small enough to keep it with you wherever you go. If you're looking for a reliable flashlight for camping, for everyday use or emergency, I think this is a great option to consider.